The importance to create database backups regularly. Imagine your point-of-sale system is like the brain of your business. It remembers every sale, product, customer, and payment. Making regular backups is like saving a snapshot of that brain in case something goes wrong. If your computer crashes, it is stolen, the hard drive fails, or someone makes a mistake and deletes important information, a backup helps you quickly get everything back, without losing past sales or having to re-enter every product by hand. It's peace of mind. Your business keeps running smoothly, no matter what happens behind the scenes. To make a database backup on ZeusPOS, right-click the gear icon on the main screen to access the Database Backup and Restore tool. Click on the Backup and Restore button, enter the owner password. Select a folder where the backup file will be saved. Click the Backup button. Wait until the backup process finishes. That is all you need to keep your database safe. It is highly recommended to save an additional copy of the backup file to an external drive after the backup process is done. Make backups of your database regularly.